IMO Standard Marine Communication Phrases. Standard engine orders. Any engine order given should be repeated by the person operating the bridge telegraph, and the officer of the watch should ensure the order is carried out correctly and immediately. Full ahead. Full ahead. Half ahead. Half ahead. Slow ahead. Slow ahead. Dead slow ahead. Dead slow ahead. Stop engines. Stop engines. Dead slow astern. Dead slow astern. Slow astern. Slow astern. Half astern. Half astern. Full astern. Full astern. Emergency full ahead. Emergency full astern. Standby engine. Standby engine. Engine room personnel fully ready to maneuver and bridge man to relay engine orders. Finished with engines. No more maneuvering. Finished with engines. No more maneuvering. Operation of engines no longer required. In vessels fitted with twin propellers, the word both should be added to all orders affecting both shafts, e.g. full ahead both, and slow astern both, except that the words stop all engines should be used, when appropriate. When required to maneuver twin propellers independently, this should be indicated, i.e. full ahead starboard, half astern port, etc. Where bow thrusters are used, the following orders are used. Bow thruster full to port, bow thruster half to port. Stern thruster full to starboard, stern thruster half to starboard. Bow thruster stop.